I was the executive secretary of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte for the period June 30, 2016 up to June 30, 2022. The decision on the West Philippine Sea dispute came out on July 12, barely 12 days after the Duterte administration assumed office. The status quo at the Ayungan Shoals, where BRP Sierra Madre, a dilapidated warship has served as a Philippine military outpost in a low elevation reef since 1999, was in a 2013 commitment of former Defense Secretary Gasmin to the Chinese Ambassador Ma Keqing that he would only deliver food and water to the Marines stationed at the vessel. Former President Duterte and President Xi Jinping had 8 official meetings during the period October 2016 to August 2019. In all the 8 official meetings, he was always accompanied by his incumbent Foreign Affairs secretaries, namely the late Secretary Perfecto Yasay Jr., then Acting Secretary, now Secretary Enrique Manalo, Secretary, now Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, and Secretary, now Ambassador Teodoro Locsin Jr. In my capacity as Executive Secretary, I was able to attend 2 of the official meetings between former President Duterte and President Xi. First was the state visit of President Xi in the Philippines sometime in November 2018, and the second was on the official visit of President Duterte to China in August 2019. Secretary Locsin was present in all those meetings. Of these 2 official meetings I attended, no gentleman's agreement ever took place between former President Duterte and President Xi. President Duterte, being a lawyer, knew fully well that it was foolhardy to enter into an agreement, especially a gentleman's agreement at that, with the President of the People's Republic of China on matters involving sovereign rights. Thank you, Your Honor. I cannot elaborate with particularity on the status. That's what I gathered when the decision came out 12 days after we assumed office. I was just asking around, what's the present status at Ayungin Shoals? Because I know there was a vessel there. And the information I gathered was that there was a previous commitment that food and water will be allowed to be shipped to the dilapidated vessel since 2013 po.